Alright, got our buddy here, Lil Dirtbike and Daddydirtbike. And they didn't see my last video, which is good. So you know what I want you to do, buddy? You see that little engine on the floor over there? Pick that up and put it on the table here.
Okay.
I bought this at Cool Springs. Good thing you don't watch Road King's videos, or else I couldn't have made this.
Oh man.
Alright, come here, Daddy. Check this out. Look at this engine. Tell me what you think is strange or different about it. You too, buddy. Look it over.
Well, in my opinion, the shaft looks smaller than it should be.
Okay.
Yeah, definitely that looks.
Well, that's common because 5S's were always like 1/2 inch or 5/8. It's seeds. We know it's seeds, Bill. Look it over. Nothing, huh? Nothing. I'm surprised you don't see nothing, man. You pick everything out.
I don't think it's been running since whoever painted it
Ah.
because there's green paint inside of the muffler.
There you go.
Yeah.
But that's an original paint job, buddy.
What?
Yeah.
How could that be?
That's an original paint job.
So it's never run?
What'd you think? No. Never been run.
Never run.
Stick your finger in there. Look at it. Get a flashlight. Let me get you a flashlight, buddy. There you go. Good looking there.
Yep. Painted and everything here too.
Yep. Never been run. Check out the gas tank.
Wow.
Yep. It's still galvanized steel.
Yeah.
It has been exposed to moisture. That's probably why it was froze up. See a nice tag? Still got a little plastic on there.
Was that a shame
It's a white elephant. And you know what?
that it's frozen up?
The cables there from it are all on the floor. It came off a lawnmower, and they're in excellent condition too. Perfect. So, all right, you guys. You know what we're gonna do? Oh, you know what? Get a 7/16, buddy, and take this shroud off. We're gonna try and loosen it up. That one here, you just have to loosen. This one here comes all the way off.
Okay.
Pull the plug. It's in the,
We did. Plug's never been used. Go take it out, buddy. Go ahead, look at it.
put anything down in there? Or you,
Yeah, a little bit of rust.
no, I mean, did you put any? Look at that.
No, that's what we're gonna do tonight. All right. Where's my seat? Where's my seat here, buddy? Let me put the light on here. All right. We had a lot of comments on this thing. A lot of people want me to restore it and run it and see how it runs. But I can't do that because then it's just another. I got 20 of these in the shed out there. Then it'd be just another 5S. But take a look at this. These things are so crisp right here that if you rub your finger on it, you're going to cut your finger. Feel strong. Be easy.
Yeah.
Jeez, I don't need to be taking you to the hospital. But where are my glasses, buddy? Let me see this. A lot of good comments, and one of the comments was from our buddy Ruben, and he mentioned right here where the leg is, and he said he thinks that where it might be frozen, you know. But I checked it out, and it moves, so it's not frozen there. And there's like a recess here. You got a recess that goes. It starts right here, and goes around here. So you got about more than 1/8 of an inch there. So I'm going to give the camera to my my little buddy here. I want you to zoom in, run the leg there. Here you go.
All right. Ready?
Yeah, this leg right here.
All right.
Tell me when you're there. I don't know if you can see it, but I can get enough movement out of there, so we know it's not the flywheel holding that. Can you see that on the camera, buddy?
I see it.
All right. So you know what? Me and Lil Dirtbike are gonna we're gonna put some 50/50 acetone and automatic transmission fluid in there, and see if we can loosen it up. And then if not, then we're gonna have to take the head off, and it might be a valve, you know, and that's all I can think it's gonna be. So, all right, shut it down, buddy, and let's put some 50-50 in there.
All right.
All right. My little buddy's all set up. He's got his headphones on, his eye protection and everything. Gonna mix up some 50-50.
It's gonna be pretty loud.
I'm not gonna blow it up and you're gonna fill it.
All right, ready?
Yeah. You marked out the jug already. That's a new diaper on there. Don't get no transmission fluid on there.
Try not to.
Acetone. Show everybody acetone because they asked what it was. Acetone. It's good if you want to loosen something up and you don't want to spend a fortune on a little more, buddy. Not that it matters, you know. Plenty. Okay, you gotta shake this stuff up vigorously till it stays separated.
Sure isn't gonna leak, is it?
I hope not. We'll find out. Is it leaking? I think it held peanut butter pretty well.
I think it's all right.
Okay. Yeah, look at that. It almost looks like strawberry milk. All right. Be careful. Don't get anything on my diaper here.
All right.
Oh, come on. Don't be stingy.
All right.
There you go. That's better.
All right.
All right. Let's just fill up the...
Here, why don't you give me a hand, tilt it back, we'll get some on the valve.
all right. Hey, good idea. Yeah, because that pretty much all you did was fill up the...
Yeah, actually, I think I see it. It's already.
Is it really? That thing must not... Oh, yeah, look at that.
It's almost full already.
Put the rest of it in. Yeah, it's working. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's going down to the valves. So put a little more in there. Ain't gonna hurt. That's good.
Probably good.
All right. I'll probably these guys aren't gonna be here but another hour or so, and I'm gonna let that sit for a while. And if we have to, we'll take the muffler off and the carburetor off and put some in there. But I think we'll be okay, because by tilting it like that, we got plenty of stuff near the valves. And then if it's still stuck, then we'll take the head off and go from there. So that'll be it for now, and then I'll get back next time I see you guys. Maybe tomorrow, and we'll try and loosen that up a little bit. All right, what you say, buddy?
Enough of this.
All right, enough of that for now. All right, Daddy, you ain't gonna see these guys more, so. All right, I'll see you guys more. All right, it's the next day, and I haven't touched that little engine since Lil Dirtbike and Daddydirtbike left, and it's I guess it's been about maybe about 21 and a half hours. So I'm gonna put you up on a tripod, and we'll change the diaper. No sense using this clean one in case it pukes. So we put you up on a tripod, and we'll put that up on a table and see if we get any movement out of it. All right, you guys in frame? Okay. I'm right here. I'll put you right here where you can see. Can you see? All right. Let's take the shroud off here. We're in this together, right? All right. Take this out. We got no compression. Let's see what happens here. Oh yeah, look at that. Did you hear it? Oh no, look. That's why I changed the diaper. See that? Puked right up. 50-50. I guess it works pretty good. Look at that, I can actually turn it with one hand now. Alright, let me get something in there. I'll try and suck some of that juice out of there. Alright. Can't really get that in too far. Got a little bit out. Let me squirt this somewhere. Alright, I got the jar. Looks like most of the acetone might have evaporated. Alright. Screw this back in a bottle here. Yeah, this is going to be pretty anticlimactic. That Unseize with hardly any trouble at all. Turn the... There we go. I could turn the engine upside down, but it's too much like work. It'd be nice if I could get the nose of that thing all the way down into the cylinder, but I can't. Alright, instead of wasting your time, let me suck out as much of that as I can. Alright, I think we got just about all of it out. That's about it. Alright, let's see how it is. Turning real good. Almost like brand new. Sounds like just compression, but let's check it. Stick my finger over there. Yeah, I feel something. You hear it? So our valves are working. So there's not much more to do to this engine. Like I say, I'm not gonna start it because the minute I start it, it's gonna be just like 1.5 million other little Briggses that I got. And not that I have, but that's how many were made. It'll be like the 20 or 30 I got out in the shed. But it sounds like you guys want to see something taken apart and rebuilt or something, cleaned up, maybe painted. So I'll see what I can find, and then we'll bring that out and rebuild that and paint it or clean it up or do something for you, because I know you guys haven't seen an engine video, a good engine video anyway, in a while. So I'm going to just clean this one up and call it done. I thought it was pretty interesting. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Alright, here's a little bonus footage for you, just let you know what I did and what I'm going to do with this thing. I just cleaned it up and washed it down with some WD-40 and turned it upside down and took the drain plug out and sprayed some silicone spray, some oil in there. So it dropped down on a crank, and hopefully it'll seep in there. And I'll probably just put it out in the shed. I'm not going to start it, and I don't know if I'm going to sell it or what. But for now, we're just going to keep it. And I got it turned so that both valves are closed. That way, no moisture will get in there. So it should be all right. So there you go. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it was interesting. So there you go. Alright. See you guys later.